Your business is getting love on Facebook and growing reviews, but are you truly making it count? Every moment someone praises your work, each piece of trust is an opportunity. Yet it's slipping through your fingers if you don't showcase that appreciation in your website. So let's see how to turn the missed opportunity into a surge of sales with WP Social Ninja. Here's the WP Social Ninja dashboard, where you will find all the platforms it offers. From the social reviews, link your Facebook account first. If you are already logged in to Facebook in your browser, approve the connection. Once connected, select the page from where you want to fetch reviews and hit save. It's simple. Now, let's design a stunning review section for your website. Click Create a Template to unlock a range of customization options. The source is set to Facebook, but you can add others like Google or Yelp for a wider review pool. Let's focus on choosing a suitable layout and a template for your site. You can take the badge layout because it offers an extra little space for your review section. Pick a template according to that. WP Social Ninja offers everything you need and also allows you to adjust columns for mobile and tablet views as well. Want to display only your highest rated feedback? Utilize filters to spotlight these reviews. You can conceal reviews without text and choose to show only those containing specific words. Moreover, you can filter reviews by mentions of your business or product. Take full control over how your reviews appear. Going forward, use the setting options to perfectly tailor your WordPress site. With a simple toggle, control your display rating and choose to show or hide elements such as author names, images, icons, and more. Select your content type and trim lengthy feedback to ensure consistency and brevity. Well, the header section lets you add branding flair. Keep it visible or hide it for a cleaner look. In addition, Write a Review button is another exciting feature of the header. From here, your customer can submit instant reviews. Everything looks good, but another thing you can consider is Schema Snippets, allowing you to enhance your visibility in search results and can boost click-through rates and traffic by providing structured data for search engines to display. Now for the fun part, customization. By toggling the style, you will land on the variety of options. Let's customize the reviewer's name a bit. You can adjust the color, apply typography for styling, and fine-tune the top spacing. Great. Let's have a look at the other options. Wow, the plugin yet offers so much to personalize. You can do more to your taste. But as of now, the review section looks perfect on all screens. So let's save the template. Copy the shortcode and paste it into your WordPress site. And that's it. Your Facebook page reviews are now seamlessly displayed on your website, reinforcing your brand's credibility. Grab WP Social Ninja now. Until next time, stay tuned.